Okay, so we're making holiday cards, and I thought it would be a great way to share your art and get connected with the community. I've gone ahead and created a template based on all the information I've found doing the research for the postcards. Please keep in mind I am not a professional postcard sender. This is my first time doing it, so I hope everything goes well. Okay, so starting out, I created a template on Canva. So I'll have all of these links presented to you. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna click that link and you're gonna go to edit template or use template for a new design. So I am going to use it for a new design because I want to keep the original template as is. Since I'm the owner of this design, you probably won't even see this top one. So use template for new design. Okay. All right. So here, this is basic Canva. I'm not sure how many of you are familiar with it. Canva is a free website, and you should be able to use all of this without any issues. So you're gonna drag your photo into here and just drag and drop it. So I'll use another piece I did a while ago, and you can simply resize it depending on what you need. So this design doesn't quite match up, so I'm gonna extend it. This does create a zoom effect, so depending on the piece, you can realign it. I double clicked to be able to get this cross grid. And then when you like the composition, you would hit done. Okay, so now we're gonna scroll down and we're gonna look at the back of the card. So with the back of the card, there is certain things you're allowed to post in and others you can't. So this bottom bar, we have to leave this free for the barcodes so they can get shipped correctly. And so we're gonna leave this bottom part alone. On here, I have my QR code. If you scan this QR code, it'll take you to my website. In order to create your own QR code, however, first you're gonna have to have a website or somewhere for the QR code to link to. I've provided a few different sources that have these. And then the QR code generator, there's different generators. Canva actually has its own, and it's very easy to use. So we're gonna just click create QR generator. I'll give you a pop-up. Then you can choose to use it in an existing design or in a new design. Let's use it in an existing. I lied. We're gonna use it in a new one because I don't want to find the exact thing right now. 1080. I don't remember the specifics. I think that's it. Alright, so it'll give you this. You'll just put your URL in here. I have my own website, so I'm gonna just enter that in there, QR generate, and you now have a QR code. You're gonna wanna test this, take your phone camera and line it up. And if it gives you a link, click on the link and then make sure it goes to the right one. So we're gonna just right click, copy, then we'll go back to the template, we'll paste. Now see, this is massive, so we don't need it this big. So we will just drag and drop. Okay. So Canva has a layering system as well. You go to position, usually it'll land on the arrange section. So you'll just click this next tab that says layers, and then you can just click whatever element you wanted. Some of these are grouped, like this one is grouped. It's the names around it, which all of these words are completely editable, by the way. Sure, you're awesome, by the way. And then name here. Oh, I guess I don't need that space. Okay. So yeah, that's the QR thing. You can make this bigger. It does have a white border behind it. If you want the frame in front of it, you can just drag that below the frame and line that up. Okay, so say everything's the way you want it. Now you're gonna remember that there's 3 pieces here. You can either delete this, or you could just select the download button. You can select the pages you want. We want front and back. For this design, we're gonna make sure it's in PNG. All of these settings should be correct, and then you just click download. Once you have your downloaded file, you would then take it to your choice of printing. I've also created a few options for this. These links are just print on demand kind of services. Most of these I've found based on recommendations of other artists and what they've done. Don't be afraid to go to your local printers too, because you can have that one-on-one experience and they can help guide you through what exactly you want, what you're looking for. All right, I hope that answers all of your questions. If not, feel free to ask me. And I also added a little bit extra information in this Reddit post down here. This is where I got a lot of the printing advice from.